Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling NFC and confirming your phone supports HCE or a secure element. This is essential because payment tokens need secure routing. Once done, pick a writable N-Tag 21X or compatible tag, since capacity and lockability matter for safety. Make sure you install a trusted payment app and an NFC writer tool, then have your card token or payment credentials ready. This moves you from setup into action without wasting time. You now generate or export a single-use token from your payment app or issuer, because raw PANs must never be stored on tags. Next, use the NFC Writer app to encode the encrypted payload onto the tag, and where supported, set lock bits or make the tag read-only to reduce tampering risk. Once written, verify the tag UID and payload with the app and save a secure backup of token metadata. This ensures you can validate or revoke if needed. You finish by testing the tag at a low-value terminal so you can confirm the tap flow and receipt without exposure to large sums. Once successful, attach or store the tag securely with your wallet or device, and avoid sharing the tag UID publicly since that could aid cloning. If a transaction fails, first check tag locks and app permissions, then reissue a fresh token from your payment app. This single troubleshooting step resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.